You should cut your budget and do both.
I'm telling Zoe.
You deserve it.
Matchy, matchy, matchy is not fun.
Over, so you can make a pretty little design.
Well, he just took everything out of my mouth. Yeah.
Hi, I'm Ellen Pompeo, and I am about to answer some highly debatable design questions.
Hey, we are the Property Brothers.
And we love answering highly debatable questions. Really, really highly debatable.
Should we debate this?
Should we? Let's debate.
Ooh, why do we have to pick? So you should cut your budget and do both.
Kitchen renovations, 100% my favorite on the inside of the house.
The subway tiles, because there are less grout lines, and the grout lines will be easier to clean.
Penny tile. I've gone away from subway tile.
I would say
it's overdone.
Penny tile for a shower floor, but I would still do a subway tile for the kitchen backsplash.
What about loony tile?
That's Canadian. No one knows what a loony is. No TV in the bedroom. Let's find other ways to entertain ourselves.
My designer heart says no, but my realistically, that's the only place I watch TV.
I'm telling Zoe.
TV in the bedroom. The TV screens now are fantastic, and you can put some cool piece of art looking screen on there. So I say TV. I have to watch Grey's Anatomy. Come on. Real plants. Fresh flowers all the time because you deserve it.
Mixed collection. Matchy, matchy, matchy is not fun.
Yeah, I'm not a fan of overly matchy, but I'm trying to think of ways that I can contradict you, but I can't. I like eclectic.
Top sheet, of course, top sheet, because it's just cozier.
Top sheet.
Top sheet.
Yeah. Wait, we agree a lot on things. I thought that we were going to be debating things.
I know his thought. I can read his thoughts.
Oh, what is a self-cleaning kitchen?
Self-cleaning kitchen?
I love the sound of this. In a fantasy world,
yeah. Self-cleaning bathroom.
How about self-cleaning contractor?
that would help everything.
Ooh, self-cleaning bathroom for sure. Because cleaning the bathroom and the toilet, that's not so fun. Modern design. I think it's just cleaner and easier. Ooh. I would say matte paint, but I love a lacquer. It's an expensive process, but lacquer is gorgeous.
Painted ceiling, or even wallpaper on a ceiling.
Well, he just took everything out of my mouth. Yeah. Depends on the wallpaper, but I do love a whole room done in wallpaper.
You know, Scott Living wallpaper is really amazing for any room.
I would say whatever you could afford. If you could afford a full room of wallpaper and the wallpaper is fantastic, why not? But it's also great just for an accent wall.
Open shelving.
Well, as long as there are other upper cabinets for storage. I do not believe in all open shelf upper cabinets.
He's messy. He's messier than I am.
Open between the dining room, kitchen, and living room, always.
I will agree. How about an open bedroom plan where you have the toilet right out in the middle by the bed?
They did that in the 50s in a lot of houses, 50s and 60s. And
so weird.
Terrible idea.
Shag carpet in the bathroom.
You know, I love my partner, not that much. I don't want them to see that. Open
floor plan. I just think, how we live. I think that, enclosed spaces are perfect for the bedrooms. But I think it's more conducive to sort of how we live nowadays.
Gallery wall. I think it's nice to, again, be a little eclectic to what you're showing off.
I think if you find the right piece and you make it a statement, I think you get that a single piece is great.
I like to mix photos with other pieces for a gallery.
Oh, over, so you can make a pretty little design. If you do it under, then you can't make a design. You have to fold the corners and make it look, pretty.
There is no debate. It's over. It's always over, especially for tall people. If you're standing up and you need to rip down and reach.
Well, the only thing I would say is if you have a cat, I can understand why you would want to do under so the cat doesn't just pull out all the paper. But aside from that, no, over. How do you find it? Like it's so hard to get to it. And then oh, there it is. And then it flops down and you can't get at it. It's ridiculous.
Thanks so much for watching. This was so much fun.
That was fun. I want to debate more.
I feel like this should be called highly agreeable questions.
Yeah, we did agree on a lot.
Thanks.